Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on oceanic current. In the last video lecture, we have learned the region of oceanic currents. Why, in one time, one place, there is a cold current, and another place there is a warm current. As you know that we have seven major ocean, and in this chapter, we are going to discuss three oceanic currents: Atlantic Oceanic Current, and Pacific Ocean Current, and Indian Oceanic Current. Today, we are going to discuss current of Atlantic Ocean. All right, you know that the shape of the Atlantic Ocean is S. Okay, so as you know that, as you seen in this picture, we have this equatorial region, north equatorial current and counter equatorial current we have. And as you know that in the last video lecture you have learned, in the equatorial region we have warm current, so antilines current go towards the west north direction, and here is the Mexico, Gulf of Mexico, and and this is Cuba, and it is also known as Cuban current. And here is a Florida current, because this is the area of Florida, and this current reaches towards. Why this current moves from here? Due to trade winds, and trade winds, when its Florida current go towards the Greenland and this part of Labrador, we have Gulf Stream, because it is the name because of this Mexico, Bay of Mexico, and due to the Atlantic drift, that means due to the direction of winds, due to Coriolis force, this oceanic current heading towards Europe, and from this part, Arctic Ocean, we have cold current. This is the part of Labrador, from Canada. So this is Labrador current, and the current meets here is warm, and cold current meet here in the Grand Banks. So from here Labrador, there are cold current, and with this cold current, with the help of this, it is there are so many icebergs comes with the help of winds and with the help of this current, and it is called ice wall. Okay, and because of here they meet both warm current and cold current. This is the area of lukewarm water, and due to this, this is the area of breeding of fishes. Okay, so this current heading towards the Norwegian currents from Norway. Okay, like that. Okay, and cold current in the area of the Canary current. This is the area of Canary, so Canary current moving towards south. Look at this. This is the part of this is the part of North Atlantic Ocean. So here the Sargasso Sea, that means the sea having no coastal plain. So between this, there are so many plankton breeded. So this is known as Sargasso Sea, without any coast. And this area is also called Gare Zone. Okay. This is North Atlantic oceanic part. Now about South Atlantic part. Know that the South Equatorial Current from here it moves from Brazil to Brazilian current, from Brazil to here again, and this is the cold current from the part of this Atlantic Ocean. This is the cold current here. Okay, so South Atlantic current, this is the warm current, and between this subtropical gyre we have. Okay, this is the part of Aguilhas, Cap of Aguilhas. That means like Indian peninsular part, we have Cape Comorin, Kanyakumari. Like that, Cape of Cape Town, Cape, we have Aguilhas, the last part of the South African nation. So here the warm current Aguilhas. Okay. Here also subtropical gyre occurs. This is all about Atlantic Ocean. In the next video lecture, we are going to discuss Pacific Oceanic Current, and after that, Indian Ocean Current. Thank you so much.